What's up, Day Family? We're back with another video, and I know you can tell from the title what this video is going to be about. So today, this video is basically going to be about me, washing my face and, brushing my teeth. Early morning routine. And plus, I have this spin brush that I never really got a chance to use because I always forgot to get batteries for it. So today will be my first day using this spin brush. And some extra products that I'm going to use after. These are regular products that I use after I wash my face. Start using this Dove. This is some Dove cream, and it feels so good on your skin. It might be a little oily, but it keeps the dryness away. It's some really good stuff, you guys. You have to get some of this. Some Dove face cream. And then I have this too as well, this charcoal that I normally use. I use this on my face too as well. And this will be my first time using this Biore. I might use this today. Some face wash or whatever. Because I have really, really sensitive skin. So it'd be hard for me to find things to use for my skin. And actually my skin has been doing a lot better. Like, it done cleared up so good. I just gotta get the dark marks out. And these little bumps, I don't know where they come from. They just came out of nowhere. Like, and they hard, like little hard bumps. But yeah, we gonna get this started. First I'm gonna start off with brushing my teeth. Brush them teeth, y'all. Brush them teeth. There's people out here with halitosis now. We don't need to be walking around with stank breath, especially all in people's faces. So, start off with my toothbrush. This is my toothbrush. I normally use Crest 3D White, but unfortunately I ran out, so today I will be using this Colgate. Got to go back to the store and get some more items. Yeah. It feels so good when you brush your teeth. I don't know about y'all, but mouth feels amazing. Right now my breath stinks. It stinks. Because I just woke up. And I hate talking to people when my breath stinks. Sometimes I try to hide it. Ugh. Everybody get that little stink breath sometimes. I know it stink right now. I just woke up, literally. I'm like, yeah, let me go ahead and do my video. Girl, this one keeps real good, girl. Get in there. I gotta try to rough it as hard as you can. I'm gonna turn off the water for a second. You gotta get the top and the bottom for people that don't know how to brush their teeth. So there's a lot of people that don't know how to brush their teeth, y'all. Y'all will be surprised. Even grown people. You gotta get the inside, up, down, top, whatever, side to side. Get those teeth clean. I hate to see grown people walking around with rotten teeth. And most importantly, you guys gotta brush that tongue. Brush that tongue. That tongue is the main thing you need to brush. Who else gag when they brush their tongue? I know somebody do. Yeah. Okay. Rinse that out. Okay, mouse. Tastes so good right now. Okay. And now we're gonna go in with the spin brush. This is my first time using it, y'all. I know it's gonna do good on my face. I want to stop using face towels and start using like spin brushes and stuff because my face, it don't agree with a lot of things. So yeah, this is my first time. Like I said, y'all. Oh, I didn't read it. It says facial cleansing system and fresh and beautiful skin. Well, for fresh and beautiful skin. Dual speed technology gently and effectively cleans to reveal more even, radiant skin. Within two brush heads, you can deep clean and exfoliate daily for fresh, beautiful skin. It's perfect for all skin types. It comes with two brushes, sensitive brush and deep cleansing brush. Take it anywhere, home, travel, gym, or office. Unclogs pores, exfoliates, and brightens skins. Help your skin better absorb skincare products, and it uses 2 AA batteries, and they are not included. I had to go, I didn't have any batteries neither, y'all. I had to go steal some batteries. My daughter have an electric, well, not electric, but a pencil sharpener that runs by batteries, so I had to go steal one of her batteries because I only came up with one, so I'm gonna have to put it in the back. Shh! Don't tell her I stole her stuff, y'all. Don't tell her. Alright, mommy, where is my battery? Somebody took my batteries out of my. This thing is hard to open, yeah. Real hard. Okay. Like, feel like this thing. It's real hard to open, Lord. Guess I gotta go through the back end. I hope these batteries work. If they don't work, I'm gonna be highly upset. I'm gonna be highly upset, you guys. I woke up with energy. When you wake up like this with energy and you're doing YouTube, might as well go ahead and start doing some videos. Because half of the time I don't be having no energy. I don't know where this no energy stuff is coming from, but I have no energy. I want to start back taking my vitamins, but those vitamins, they make me too hungry. And I'm trying to lose some weight. I ain't trying to gain no more. Okay. Oh, this thing comes with a little pamphlet in the inside when you take the batteries out. Oh. I'm dropping everything. Y'all just bear with me. I just woke up. Okay, I'm going to put this battery on this side. Just testing it out first to see if it works. If the batteries work. Oh, okay. This is as fast as it goes. And then this one, this is on low, and that is on high. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. So, it says to damp your face a little bit. I wonder which one is the deep cleansing brush. Okay, so the deep cleansing brush is already on here. And this is the sensitive brush. Okay, got it. This will be the sensitive brush, and this is the deep cleansing brush that's already on here. So, first I'm going to go in with wetting my face a little bit first. Wet that face, wet that face. No, no way. I think I wetted too much. I'm about to drown myself. Okay. And then I'm going to wet the brush too a little bit. Just a little bit. Wet the brush a little bit. Okay. Where is this thingy? And we're going to use this today. I don't know if you guys know what this is or if you have any, but we're going to use that. And I'm going to put a little bit onto the brush. And I'm going to turn it on high since the high button is not too bad. Okay, y'all see it? Oh, it feels so good. Like, this feels lovely. This feel like, oh, they need some of these for your back. Back massage. Oh, yes, Lord. Ooh. I like the way this feels. This feels so good on my skin. Y'all gonna have to try these. And I purchased this from Walmart. This is the cheap one. They have more expensive ones, but I had to get the cheap one because I'm not into buying all that expensive stuff. I buy what I can afford at the time. Even if I was to get somebody, I don't think I'd be buying that real expensive stuff. Certain expensive things I do buy, but And it feels, oh my God, yeah, it feels so lovely. And it's supposed to deep cleanse. See, I wear makeup, so this is good to help get the makeup off. Y'all see how it's doing the circles around my face? Look, oh yes. Oh, I think I burned my eye, y'all. I'm doing too much. I put it too close to my eye. Yeah. Look, I'm crying. See, I don't never know what I'm doing. Oh yes, this feels so good. Get through. I think I just need to close my eyes because I'm gonna get soap all over it. I'll let my eyes. Okay, turn this off. This how you know, and I wash my face every night. This is all that makeup that's been built up. See, I like this brush already because it's getting that stuff out. That, I love that. Now that's a good brush. There's makeup that came straight out. Back clean. Okay. I'm going to use this towel. I know they say you should use white towels when washing your face, but it's like this household can't keep up with white towels. I don't know where they go, so I'm going to just have to buy some more fresh towels. Fresh white towels. My face feels so good. Oh. Hey y'all, you see my face? Looks lovely, rejuvenated and all pretty and stuff. I just need these little bad suckers to go somewhere. I got one on my neck too. I don't know what in the world. I don't know if I'm breaking out from something or what it is. But yeah. Okay. And then this is the last step of washing my face. I put this Dove guys. I put this on. It comes in a like aluminum foil type little wrap on it. I just take a little bit. I don't put that much because it's really oily. I want my face to be feeling all oily. Not today. It's Sunday. Sunday. So I'm going to just use that much. Rub it in my hands and then... Okay. Okay. Feels lovely, you guys. See how my skin look? So soft. No bumps when you're stress free. No bumps. Stress free, drama free, all of that. No bumps. So yeah, those little two, y'all gotta excuse them. They just came from what? I don't know. I stopped drinking soda a lot too to help my skin. So I used to drink 2 liters, I ain't gonna say 2 liter a day of soda. So I had to get away from drinking so much soda and start drinking more water. At first, water was so nasty to me, guys. Now I just love the taste of water. I love it. As long as it's ice cold. I don't like faucet water. Just give me some bottled water or filtered water. I think that's why I couldn't drink water so much, because every time I tried drinking like faucet water. If it wasn't no bottled waters around, and faucet water tastes like bleach to me. Just got like this nasty old taste to it. But yeah, you guys, this is it. This is the end of me washing my face. Next video, I would do a full routine of me getting up out of bed and, you know, doing my little routine, everything that I do when I do wake up. So you guys will get a full video of that sometime this week. But yeah, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a nice comment. And for my old comers, hey, y'all, hey. Yeah. But anywho, I really appreciate you guys always tuning into my channel. And thank you guys so much. And I hope you guys have a blessed Sunday. Peace out.